To get started, you simply want to tap the screen, or you can change the language at the bottom of the screen. Once you've tapped the screen though, it'll bring you to this page like here, where you're going to enter in your confirmation number, e-ticket, or mileage plus number. Now, it is also important to mention you can scan your passport, swipe a credit card, or airline card that is associated with your flight. If you would like to use any of these other documents, you can do so by putting them in the slot that is right under the screen like I'm showing here. And you can even use your ID, which is honestly the most convenient option. Once you've done that, you simply will have this pop-up screen like here once you pass this step, where it will display your flight info, and you can check your bag, get digital boarding pass, view seat map, or even upgrade your seat to other options just on the screen right here. And it is important to note, if your bag is over 50 pounds, then you will have to check your bag. But once you have done that, you'll have the option to either get a digital ticket that will be sent to your phone and that you will be able to open in the app to actually add to your phone's wallet if you would like to, or you can get a physical ticket through some printers, although this one discontinued it. When you're done using the kiosk, click finish in the bottom right corner and you're officially good to go, and happy flying.